Hey everyone, welcome back to the Code Talk. If you're learning React and wondering what's the difference between props and context API, you're in the right place. Today, we'll go step by step to understand both and when to use one over the other. So let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. Props. Props stand for properties. They are a way to pass data from parent to child components in React. Let's understand with example. We have two components, parent and child. Now parent component return child component. But here if we want to control the message from parent, we need to pass the message as a prop from parent component to the child component. It is simple and powerful, but there's a catch. What if you want to pass data from grandparent to child component even if the parent component don't need it? This is called prop drilling. It can get messy in large apps, especially when data needs to go deep into the component tree. To solve the problem of prop drilling, React introduced the Context API. It allows you to share global data like themes, authentication, and user data. Let's set up context in 3 simple steps. Step 1, create and export the context. Step 2, wrap the component in which you want to flow the data. User context.provider. Now send the data to the value attribute in the last. Step 3, just consume the context using useContext. Now you don't need to pass user through parent. The child gets it directly using useContext. To more understanding of these, you can pause the video and compare. Props are great for simple parent to child communication, but if you find yourself passing the same data through multiple layers, it's time to bring in context. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what topic I should cover next.